So here's a look at this week. I'm going to do the whole week in one video. You're basically writing your narrative on the topic that you chose from last week. So today, your goal is to get the introduction done and the rising action. Some of you may already have the introduction done from Friday. On Tuesday, you'll do the middle two paragraphs, and on Wednesday, you'll write the conclusion. And then there's an extra credit slide option for Thursday. And then Friday is just a day to catch up if you need to. So check to see that you have your exposition or introductory paragraph done. Many of you that I checked in with already had this part done. And then you would be working on your rising action. So you might want to take a look back at slide 7, because on slide number 7 you have this planning chart, and this will help guide your writing. Also, just keep in mind that you are writing on the topic that you chose. Are you writing about friendships that proved to be of great value? Are you writing about important lessons that you've learned in middle school? Or maybe you're telling a story about a travel experience. Okay, so you're going to have your introduction. That's going to be step 1. Remember, you should have a hook or a question to start off with, and then tell us the setting and the characters. For the rising action paragraph, you're going to tell us about some background information. So if it's a travel experience, maybe you're packing your bags and talking about what you're planning to do to keep yourself busy getting to your location. Or if it's lessons learned, maybe you're talking about some experiences in 6th grade. If it's friendships, you're just going to describe like how you met your friends. So then Tuesday work, you're doing the most exciting part of your story, the climax, or the most exciting part. So you'd continue writing here. She's just asking for 3 sentences. And then your falling action, what happened after? So if it's a travel experience, what happened after you got there? So think about what happened afterwards. Or look back at your planning document just to see what you said as your bullet points. Or maybe it's, your lessons learned. 3 sentences here. Then you write your conclusion or your resolution. So maybe what you learned from the experience or from the friendships, or maybe your favorite part, or maybe your goals moving forward. Then there's some extra credit options. So a cool one would be if you read your story and could link it onto the slide. We would love to hear your voice. Or maybe you would like to draw a picture that relates to your story or a part of your story. Or maybe a pic collage, like if you wrote about friendships and you have a bunch of pictures of your friends, or if it's a travel experience and you have pictures of that place that you traveled. That'd be cool too. You would put your extra credit on this slide right here, and then at the end of the week, or when you finish, maybe you'll finish early, at the end of the week, make sure you hit submit so we can get those graded for you. Okay, reach out to us if you have questions or need help generating ideas. We'd love to help you out.